What is microsatellite instability, or MSI? Microsatellites are stretches of nucleotide repeats within the genome that can act as hotspots where errors in DNA replication occur frequently. Normally, these errors are repaired by the four major mismatch repair, or MMR proteins. Sometimes in cancer cells, the ability to correct replication errors is disrupted by mutations or methylation silencing of these MMR proteins. This is called Mismatch Repair Deficiency, or dMMR, and allows replication errors to accumulate. While all microsatellites accumulate replication errors, mononucleotide sequences are most sensitive and specific as biomarkers for dMMR. This accumulation of errors due to mismatch repair deficiency in microsatellite regions is known as microsatellite instability, or MSI.